Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video we have something really special for you. We have the brand new iGo by Pride Mobility. And we're going to show you how to unbox and assemble it. We have the famous Uncle Chuck with us today from our Bonita Springs showroom. He is going to show us how to unbox the iGo. And before we get started, like always, we just want to mention a few quick things. Number one, if you want a copy of our brand new product catalog, all you have to do is go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks top. I also want to say that if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you're automatically entered into our monthly giveaway raffle. That's right, once a month, we select a random subscriber of our YouTube channel and we give them a free mobility scooter. So if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? You could be the next lucky winner, like the past few winners that you're seeing on the screen now. So hit that subscribe button. With that being said, let's get started. So as you can see, it comes in a box with some pallet straps. You will need something sharp like a knife or a pair of scissors to just cut those pallet straps. That's going to be the first step. It's a pretty easy process. So this is a very lightweight scooter. All you have to really do is cut the top of the box open with either a knife or a pair of scissors. The scooter itself, overall weight is 60 pounds, 60.6 pounds. That's going to be the base, and the batteries weigh 4.8 pounds. It's one lithium battery pack. When you take it apart, the heaviest piece only weighs 32.8 pounds. By the way, if you want to see a copy of this spec sheet and brochure, just go to our website and you can download it, print it, get a copy, whole 9 yards. We have a lot of information on our website, not just videos. So at the top of the box, when you open it, you're going to see a couple things. You're going to find the user manual first, which you should take the time to read in its entirety so you know how to operate your unit safely. That's the user manual, and as you can see inside of that bag with the user manual, you've got your keys. So if you're wondering where they are after you put the whole thing together, that's where they're at. Now, next to the user manual bag, you've got a couple pieces of styrofoam and a hard case, which is like a storage case to put some personal belongings in. That just attaches to the back of the seat. So we've got one already installed here, as you can see. Nice little hard case. Well, kind of hard, not rock solid, but it's a hard case that's going to keep your belongings safe when you pass this scooter on to the airplane attendant that gate checks your scooter for you. Now we have an airline traveling experience video where we take this scooter through an airport. So if you're interested in seeing what that's like, check out our YouTube channel. We'll put a little link in the description as well. And this is the perfect scooter for going on airplane trips with. You can't ride it into the airplane itself, but it's great for traveling right up to the plane door, and they'll gate check it for you. And when you get to your destination, it'll be ready for you at the exit of the plane as well. Now what we're doing now is removing some of the pieces of cardboard that are wedged into the sides of the scooter inside the box. And then just lift the entire box up. The box actually just slides right up. And then the rest of the little sides, which are like little angled 90-degree angle pieces on the corners, will just fall out. So we're going to go ahead and clean all that up and continue with the process of unboxing the iGo. Pretty straightforward process. Shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. So you can see down low we've got this lithium battery charger in the box. It is a 3.5 amp 24 volt lithium charger by UPG. We'll show you how it works. At this point, you can unbag the scooter. We have it here in the color white, and this is the color blue. And you could also get it in a few other color options that include black and sugar plum, which is like a purple. So you've got 4 color options. It is a front wheel drive scooter. It has a front hub motor. And what Chuck's going to do now is he's just going to pick it straight up. Now again, All together, it weighs about 60 pounds. So you may not be able to do that. You may need help with that part, but we'll show you how to go ahead and take it apart as well. You can detach the front half from the rear half. And again, the heaviest piece is going to be right at 32.8 pounds. It's worthy to note that the overall width is 20.3 inches and the length is 44 inches. So what we're going to look at now is what's included at the bottom of the box. We have another box here, and what that's going to include is the battery pack, which the battery comes in a case. It's like a pack, and the pack has a shroud panel that matches the color of the scooter that you opted in for. So you're going to see a case with a white top, which is going to go right in there, and it's going to match and look identical to that panel, which is part of the floorboard. And we'll show you how all that works in just a moment. All right, so we're just unwrapping the battery pack, and there it is, and we'll put that to the side for now. All right, so one thing you want to make sure of is before you unfold it, there is a lock to keep it folded. So when you're giving your scooter to the airplane attendants, you want to make sure it's locked. And this lever needs to be basically perpendicular to the ground when it's or parallel with the ground. Now when you have it unlocked, that lever's in the perpendicular position facing down, pointing towards the ground. Now you can unfold it. When it's upwards, it's catching that little knob right there and it's locked into position, so you won't be able to unfold it. Just keep that in mind, because when you get your scooter the first time, you won't be able to unfold it unless you unlock it. So now it's unlocked, and what you want to do is grab the front handle, which has a lever that you can depress. It's like a secondary handle within the handle. So we're going to show you some action there on that handle within the handle, and that's unlocking the tilt adjust cable. It's like a brake cable. You can see as he's pumping that brake cable is loosening. So he's got the other handle here with his right hand, and he's going to basically pull forward with one handle on the front, and the middle handle, he's just using that to not let the scooter slam down. So he's controlling the way it reaches the ground nice and carefully. So at this point, the scooter's almost completely unfolded. What you want to do is basically bring the handlebar all the way up by tilting it forward with that lever and letting it go. Now it's locked into position. Now you might be wondering, wow, that handlebar is pretty low, and yes it is. So you can actually raise the handlebar. There's a little gray lever here on the left side underneath the left handlebar. What you want to do is pull that outwards like that, and then you might have to really kind of jiggle it a little bit, maybe even put some pressure on the base while pulling upwards, because it's a little stiff when you first unbox it. Now, it wouldn't hurt to maybe put a little WD-40 in there, just a splash, so that it slides up and down easier. I think as you use it and adjust the height up and down a few times, it's going to get easier. But right out of the box, it's pretty tight. So now the next step is to raise the seat up. Now there is a little button down there, which you could probably hear as he's clicking it. And you have to basically depress that button, and then the seat will raise up. And you can see down there, go ahead and give that some action for me, Uncle Chuck. That's the lever. So when you want to raise or lower the seat, you need to depress that lever. Now when you're ready to lower the seat, there's a trick. You want to depress the lever, but first pull up, and you're going to hear it unlock, and then you can push down. So again, if you don't pull up first, the seat will not go down. If you pull that lever and push down right away, it's not going anywhere. But if you pull up first, it unclicks and unlocks, and then you can push down to bring it back down. Just wanted to point that out. So once you have the seat raised up, there's a little pull tab here on the left side of the backrest, which you want to pull outwards, and then you can raise up the backrest. At this point, it's pretty much ready to go. We just need to put the battery in. Going to give you a nice little shot here while we get the battery of the tiller and dash. You've got a half speed switch and a full speed switch. Tortoise is going to limit the top speed. Hare is going to give you all the way to the top speed. Top speed is 4 miles per hour. Got a horn button, battery meter, ignition, light switch, and a USB charging port to charge your cell phone with, so you can stay on your social media profiles, check your news, check your mail, whatever you want. Pretty nice. So we're going to go ahead and put the battery pack in. That's the battery pack. Now there's some terminal connectors and a charging port. Now that charging port, there's actually a hole where the battery compartment is, so you want to line up that charging port with the hole. So go ahead and get that to line up. You want the front to go down first and then the back, and it clicks right into place. When you want to remove it, there's just a little pull tab there. Pull it and it's going to unlock it. It's spring loaded. So that's all it takes to unlock it and remove it. Again, if you want to charge it, you can charge the battery while it's connected. Stick the charging cable right in there. We'll show you how to do that. Or while the battery is removed, you can also charge it. Pretty nice. Nice little storage mesh here that you can use to put some belongings down there with. And at this point, the unit's pretty much ready to go. We're going to show you how you can adjust the tilt of the tiller really quick so you can see what that's like. So if you wanted to adjust the handlebar and bring it closer to you, remember there's that lever and the handlebar in the front here. You want to depress that, and that's how you adjust the tilting angle. Pretty nice. Now if you want to adjust the height, again, that's the lever you want to work, but it's pretty tight in the beginning. You want to pull outwards, and you can bring it down or bring it up. And that's it. So those are the comfort adjustment features. You can remove the backrest by loosening up these little hand screws down here. There's two of them, one on each side. And just as a tip, they might be loose when you first get your scooter. So check them out and make sure that they're tight before you start riding it. Now this scooter has perforated tires, which help make it smooth while going on bumpy terrain. Pretty nice. Overall, it's an awesome looking scooter. It's a front wheel drive motor. There's the neutral mode if you want to unlock the brakes. Let's say your scooter battery dies and you want to push it manually. You will have to put it in neutral mode with the red lever in the down position. Now make sure it's in drive mode when you're ready to go, which is the upward position, or else the motor will not work. So we're going to go ahead and power it on now.
What should be on-off switch on the battery pack?
Oh yeah. One other thing, the scooter will not turn on unless the on switch is on. Right now it's in the on position. I'm going to tilt it a little bit for you so you can see that. There's a circle and a line. Circle means off, line means on. So make sure it's in the on position, that switch right there. And when you're not going to use your scooter for a while, put it in the off position so your battery doesn't drain. Alright, so here's the charger. When you plug it into the wall, you're going to get the light on the charger to turn on. So we've got one end plugged into the wall, the other end Chuck has in his hand, and he's going to plug it into the box of the charger. There's no wrong way to do it. And once it's on, you see that red light turns on, showing that it has power. So the charger's plugged in to the wall. Now when you plug the other end, which is a 3-pin barrel connector, known as an XLR cable, that 3-pin barrel connector goes right into the battery box. And remember, there's an access hole on the actual plastic paneling here. And as soon as he plugs that in, you're going to see, you got to get the pins lined up. There's 3 pins. Now it's the charging light indicators on. When it's fully charged, it'll turn green. While it's charging, it's red. And when you have it fully charged for a long period of time, it's going to go into maintenance mode and blink green. So that's it. Now remember, there's a female and a male end. The male end has the 3 pins, or the female end has 3 pins, depending on how you look at it. But there's going to be 3 holes, and you got to make sure that you see the 3rd hole is facing up. So when you plug this in, you want that 3rd one facing up, and it should go right in. Good to go. When you first get your unit, make sure you charge it for a good couple hours. I would say 4 to 5 hours to wake that battery up. It's been sitting in a warehouse for a while. So now we're going to show you how to install the storage case. It's pretty simple. On the back, there's 2 straps. You want that top strap to go over the housing on the backrest, the top part of the housing. And then the bottom strap just goes underneath. And that's it. So you've got the bottom strap there and the top strap there. And when you're ready to take it off, it's pretty easy. You just unstrap it. Nothing to it. Nice little travel case with that iGo insignia logo there. Now, it's not the biggest storage case in the world, but you can definitely put your phone, a little purse or wallet. You can put your belongings in there, your keys, no problem. It's going to keep it nice and safe. All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, there you have it. We unboxed the iGo. We have the white, the blue, and again, you can get it in black or sugar plum purple as well. Want to give a big thank you to Uncle Chuck for helping us with the unboxing. And in case you're wondering, the shoes that he has on, which are really nice, that match the color scheme of our scooters, are not included with the scooter. Again, those awesome shoes are not included, right, Uncle Chuck? Anyways, everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, just post them in the comments section below. We love answering questions. We reply to all of our comments. Don't forget, subscribe if you want a chance to win a free mobility scooter once a month. Thanks again, everybody. Have a great day.
Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and hit the subscribe button. You can also enable notifications. That way you get notified whenever we release new videos just like this one. Our YouTube channel is organized into convenient playlists ranging from repair videos, review videos, unboxing videos, and we're constantly making epic videos. So make sure you go on over to our YouTube channel, check out our videos, leave a comment if you have any questions. We reply to all of our comments. We would also appreciate it if you like the video. And by the way, don't forget, you can claim a copy of our free catalog. Just go to our website and then click on the green button at the top of every page. Just fill out that short form. You'll get one in the mail within 2 weeks. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.